In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Start by opening Google Chrome and signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Using Chrome helps ensure the site runs smoothly and all features load as expected. Once you're in your company file, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, the quickest way to record a paid sale is with a sales receipt. Look toward the top left and click the plus new button. A menu will expand with several transaction types. Choose sales receipt. Unlike an invoice, which records money you'll collect later, a sales receipt is perfect when you're paid on the spot. Think in-store sales, over-the-counter services, or same-day jobs. At the top of the form, select the customer. If the customer already exists, start typing their name and pick it from the list. If it's a first-time customer, you can add them quickly so your records stay complete. Next, set the sales date. This should match the day you actually received payment, which helps keep your reports accurate and makes bank reconciliation easier. Now add the products or services you sold. In the product service field, choose each item, then enter the quantity and price. QuickBooks will calculate the line totals for you. If your products and services are already set up with standard rates, those will populate automatically, and you can adjust them if needed for this sale. Keep an eye on the subtotal as you go. If your company uses sales tax, QuickBooks typically calculates it based on your settings and the customer's tax status. Just verify it looks correct before moving on. Scroll to the payment details. Select how the customer paid: cash, check, credit card, or another method. Then choose the deposit account. If you collect several payments and deposit them together later, choose undeposited funds so you can group them into a single bank deposit that matches your statement. If the money is going straight into your bank account as a single deposit, select that bank account here. Taking a moment to choose the right deposit account now will save time during reconciliation. Give everything a final review: customer name, date, items, quantities, prices, and payment details. When it all looks good, click Save. QuickBooks records the sale and the payment in one step, keeping your income and cash accounts up to date. That's all it takes to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll capture point-of-sale transactions accurately and keep your books clean for reporting and reconciliation. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you'd like to follow along in your own file.